KOHO, your shopping spree BFF? Ever craved that perfect pair of shoes you saw online, only to panic at checkout because you weren't sure if your card would work? Or maybe you're wary of using your regular credit card for online purchases, worried about security or overspending. Well, if you've got a KOHO account, you might just have the answer to your online shopping woes. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's rewind a sec. KOHO positions itself as a financial app that helps you manage your money better. It offers features like instant spending notifications, budgeting tools, and even roundups to help you save. But what about online shopping? Can KOHO be your virtual shopping buddy? Buckle up, because that's exactly what we're here to explore today. KOHO's Power Player, the prepaid MasterCard. The key to unlocking KOHO's online shopping potential lies in their prepaid MasterCard. Yes, you heard that right. KOHO offers a reloadable prepaid MasterCard that works just like a regular credit card. This means you can use it for online purchases anywhere MasterCard is accepted, which is a pretty vast network covering most online retailers. Here's the beauty of it. Since it's prepaid, you're only spending what you've loaded onto the card. No more accidental overspending or surprise credit card bills. It's like having a virtual shopping cart with a preset limit, keeping those impulse buys in check. Double advantage, the virtual card. KOHO takes things a step further with a virtual card option. Imagine a MasterCard that exists solely on your phone. No physical card to lose, damage, or forget. This virtual card is linked to your KOHO account and offers all the same benefits as the physical card, secure online transactions anywhere MasterCard is accepted. Think about it, you're browsing for that new gadget late at night, phone in hand. See something you love? No need to dig out your wallet or remember your card details. Just whip out your phone, access your virtual card info in the KOHO app, and pay in seconds. Convenience at its finest. Security matters, shopping with peace of mind. Let's face it, online security is a major concern. KOHO uses industry-standard security measures to protect your information. Plus, with a prepaid card, even if someone gets hold of your card details, they can only spend what's loaded on it. This adds an extra layer of security compared to a traditional credit card where unauthorized charges can wreak havoc on your finances. KOHO, not just for online shopping sprees. While online shopping is a major perk, KOHO's prepaid MasterCard isn't a one-trick pony. You can use it for in-store purchases as well, anywhere MasterCard is accepted. This makes it a versatile tool for managing your everyday spending, both online and offline. KOHO, a few things to consider. KOHO might be a fantastic online shopping companion, but there are a few things to keep in mind. Since it's prepaid, you'll need to ensure you have enough funds loaded onto the card before making a purchase. Unlike a regular credit card, you won't have the option to go over your limit. Additionally, some online merchants might require additional verification for prepaid cards. This is just a security measure, but it's something to be aware of. KOHO, the verdict? So, can you use KOHO for online purchases? Absolutely. With its prepaid MasterCard and virtual card option, KOHO offers a secure and convenient way to shop online. It keeps you in control of your spending and provides peace of mind with its security features. KOHO might not be the perfect fit for everyone, but if you're looking for a way to manage your online shopping habits and avoid overspending, it's definitely worth considering. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.